So far, text messaging has been pretty steady. As of this moment in time, we have sent out about 340 text messages with about 78 replies. Just to give you a timestamp, it is 9:57. Got these text messages rolling out. So far that we've done 355. That means by probably 11 o'clock, we'll be over 1,000. I haven't gotten anything solid yet. I'm hoping to get something solid soon. But so far, just a lot of not interested. I got one buyer. He ended up saying, no, I'm not looking to sell, but I am looking to buy. Got a couple more text messages rolling in. That's that dinging that you hear in the background. And I'm pretty excited. I get to see a few properties. I gotta bring some supplies up to my new rental. Gotta file an eviction. Got my beautiful eviction paperwork here that I gotta fill out. And we're gonna see a lot. Well, it's a house that I'm buying, but it has a huge lot. That one I'm hoping that it's gonna make a really nice return. So just to give you an idea, I'm buying 6 acres of prime Gastonia real estate with a house for $47,000. Slamming deal. Super slamming. It's probably the best deal I've had in a long time. And I say that because where it's located at, it's in an area where people want to build apartment complexes. So it could be a possibility that I could sell this piece of property and make a huge return, anywhere from $200,000 to $600,000. It has water and sewer. It's flat. It is beautiful, man. It's nice. It'll probably be my biggest profit to date. I'm gonna buy it because we're gonna hold on to it, possibly get some plans together for an apartment complex, or just get it surveyed and stick it on the MLS. That house is gonna go. It definitely is not gonna stay. Not only do I have the house, but everything behind it, all the way that way, and then all the way this way up to that other house is all mine. 6 acres located in an awesome area of Gastonia. So this is gonna be a great teardown for somebody, and either they can build, I don't even know how many houses they could build. There's like over 400 feet of right away here. This road runs through it, but then you can actually connect it on the other side of North Highland. So it's gonna make an awesome opportunity for a developer, but I'm actually buying this. This isn't me wholesaling it, because if I did wholesale it, I'd probably only make like $50,000. And I ain't interested in making $50,000. I need at least 100 or more. It's not too bad. I mean, the house is probably savable. I don't know if it's a duplex, because I mean, it does have 2 entrances, but this little old house is, I mean, it's really beat up. This is mostly land value. Got a bunch of trash here behind me. Yeah, you could probably save the house, but I really have no interest in it. But for now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some drone shots and see if I can possibly actually see some of the land. I haven't been here. I've driven by this place like a million times. I'm pretty sure some of you guys that wholesale in Gastonia have probably seen this house a million times. I've actually been, I think I've been calling them or mailing them for like 2 years now. And now is when they finally answer. So definitely persistence pays off when you're doing any type of marketing. Because if not, I mean, you're really not gonna get anything. I'm not gonna tell you how much I'm gonna list it on the MLS for, but when it does sell, whatever it does sell for, I will let you guys know. I'm hoping, okay, we're hoping on this. By the time you guys see this vlog, I will have already closed on it, because I closed on it in like 4 days for $47,000. So I'm hoping that I can sell it for at least $200,000 to $300,000, which would give me a profit of about $250-ish. If I make more, great. You know, I'm gonna try to list it on the MLS for 500. See if anybody goes for it, because I did see a lot not too far from here that sold for like, I think it was like 400,000. It was 2 acres. So I'm gonna roll the dice and see what I can do. You know, somebody might see this and be like, yeah, you're crazy. That's not gonna happen. I mean, who knows? It's in a good central location, and location is everything when it comes to real estate. The fundamental 3 rules of real estate, and that's location, location, and location. Let's see what happens. All right, so I was getting destroyed outside by the mosquitoes, but I got the drone shots that I needed. So I did a couple different angles. That way people can see, like, you know, what is surrounding this property, I'm also going to use a map. Also going to show the topographic. Also going to show where the water and sewer lines are. That way people can get an idea of what they're purchasing. I am also going to do a survey. So total cost of me doing everything besides the purchase and the land survey is going to be around like 55 to 58,000. And I know that I'm going to get a return on my investment. And I'm not showing you guys this to flex or to, you know, show off, whatever. If anything, I'm showing you guys that you guys can do this. Like, this is not something that's overly complicated. I've learned all of this through the years of wholesaling. Like, what is a deal, what is not. I mean, that's your primary, I guess, job as a wholesaler, is you're going out there and identifying deals. Deals that other people are going to buy. So this is definitely a deal. This is going to be a deal for me to buy. This is going to definitely be a deal for me to sell. And whoever does buy it is going to be able to make use of this property. Now, I wish I had the know-how and all the resources to build myself a nice 30-unit apartment complex here. But I'm not there yet. You know, one day, maybe I can look back on this video and be like, ha ha ha, Dan, you were crazy. You did much bigger things, but for right now, I don't have the resources. And even though I could hold on to this, I'd rather not, because I know that I could put the money to good use now and make myself grow. I do this solely to give you some type of motivation. That way you guys can see that you guys can do this. I remember when I was first starting out wholesaling, I didn't think that I could make more than 100,000 a year. And I've definitely made more than that. So enough about myself. We're done with the drone shots here. Now I'm finally, let me get this stuff out right here. Finally gonna go ahead and file this bad boy right here. Oh yeah. So we're gonna finally file this eviction, get this guy out of here so I can re-rent that property out. I'm losing money every day that thing is not rented. Luckily I paid cash, no loans. That is the benefit of buying things cash, because you don't have to worry about, oh man, if it's empty, now I got bills to pay. So I'm thankful that I don't have anything to pay on it. But, you know, I'm losing money because I'm not making that money. You know, I've already lost 2 months of rent. I'm going to lose a third now with July. And I want them out. So let's go file that eviction. I also got to drop off this window I got back here and see what this house looks like, because my partner just called me and told me that the AC just got installed. So I actually can't wait to see it. So let's go check it out. Oh man, listen to that baby purr, boy. Oh man, it's so nice to finally have electricity and AC. I don't know if you guys remember, but in the last video, I had such a freaking pain putting that up. I did also spray for the weeds, but man, it did not work out well. Well, I'm not gonna say it didn't work out well. There was a lot of weeds here, a lot. I don't know how well you can see that, but it's all dead all the way. So I mean, it works somewhat, man. But I'm so happy that this place has AC. Now to offload this window, I'm hoping I didn't break it though, because it's been a long ride. I've been riding around with it all day long, and I'm hoping that that window didn't break. But let's go inside and check this out. I want to see how cool it is and if it stinks, because these the ductwork is old, but it does look like that weed killer worked over here. You can see a bottle of Roundup down there. As a matter of fact, let me inspect this window, and it looks like, yeah, it's okay. It's perfectly fine. So let's check this out. I really want to see what they did with the AC unit here. Oh yeah, it's nice and cool. All right, there we go. So I was able to get in here, man. What the heck is this? Is that a bird nest? No, that's insulation. All right, so these guys only have a few more things to do, which they're gonna work on it this week or this coming week. Gotta put in the window. So by the time you guys see this video, more than likely this will all be done and she'll be ready to go on the MLS. I actually can't wait. Oh, they're sweeping everything up in here. That's what it is. I thought it was a rat making a nest because look at it. It looks like a rat's nest. So far, everything looks great. They're they're cleaning up. I was wondering what that was. So, man, the house is looking really good, man. Like, you have no idea how happy I am with how this has turned out. I still remember the day that we were here and, you know, there was nothing here. They still got to put in the vanity. I got the vanity right here, which this is a really nice vanity. See if you guys can get that in there. Really nice vanity. Dishwasher is right there. So we got everything that we pretty much need. The final touches are just happening now. Feels nice and cool in here. Finally got AC. Woo, got AC. Oh man, got AC, got power. Now these guys are gonna come in, they're gonna put the vanity. The vanity is missing right here. So hopefully the vanity will get put in and we'll have a fully functioning house that we can rent out, which I am very ecstatic about because I've been wanting to rent this house out for months. And I'm hoping that we can wrap up everything by next week. That way we don't have any other interruptions. I still gotta get appliances, which is not a big deal. I'm just gonna get stove over there and refrigerator over there. Nothing out of this world. I was gonna get like some Facebook appliances, but I kind of talked myself out of it because number one, these refrigerators are built like Hyundais. All right, not knocking Hyundai the car, but back in the day, Hyundais were unreliable vehicles, kind of like a Geo Metro. And I don't want to get a used refrigerator and then it breaks like 2 weeks into my tenants being here, because that would suck. So I'd rather just buy the new appliances, buy a new range, buy a new refrigerator, and just be done with it. And I'll be, you know, super happy. Everything will be working out perfect for me. And then I gotta get all the rest of these supplies out. I got some extra flooring. I got some drywall over here that I gotta get out of here. So there's not much to clean up, but there is a little bit more to clean up. There goes my baby over there. Oh, that unit is nice. Oh yeah, one more thing that we're doing is changing the water heater, which I already have the water heater. I gotta go pick it up in the morning. So one of the dumb things that happen right now is that number one, I couldn't film the eviction process because Rowan County doesn't allow you to bring any cell phones or any type of recording devices into the courthouse. And you know me, I've got all kinds of recording devices, so I couldn't bring anything in, and they wouldn't let me go in there with it. The other thing is I gotta come back in the morning because I guess their payment system was down and I wasn't able to actually pay for the eviction, but all the paperwork is there and already filed. It was not too bad of a process. Basically, we're gonna go to court July the 13th, and then the judge is gonna impose whatever their ruling is, whether he stays or goes, which I know that he's gonna end up going. And I think he has 7 days after that because it's a month-to-month lease. Now, once I get him out, I'll have this property ready and we'll be ready to work on the other property to get it rent ready again and just, you know, clean it out. I don't think that this guy thinks that we're gonna evict him, even though I warned him. I specifically told him, I was like, hey man, I'd rather give you the $500 than evict you. And he told me, no thank you, $500 ain't gonna do crap for me. So that's life, comes at you fast. But I'm gonna go ahead and offload this window. In case you're wondering why I didn't buy a window before, I did buy a window before. See this window right here? Yeah, that window right there doesn't fit. My contractor measured the wrong size and we got the wrong size window. But, you know, I'm hoping that we can make this new window work. Even though it's kind of, I think, is it a different color? No, this is white. This is white. Okay. So hopefully that window we popped in, we'll be ready to roll. I can get these extra sheets of drywall out. Probably just gonna use this for this other job that I got. This other flip that we're gonna do, that we're closing on tomorrow. And then that house that we saw today, I actually talked to my partner and we're gonna close on it tomorrow instead of next Tuesday. So that'll be a done deal for us, and you know, I'll be a happy camper. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this, you know, whole journey. It's been a wild adventure, very busy couple of weeks, and it only keeps getting busier. Don't be afraid to get started in real estate right now. It's not falling apart yet. Even if it was, get started. Don't listen to everybody, oh my God, the sky is falling. Just get started, make your money, become wealthy in real estate. I promise you, you will not regret making that decision. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys are winning in your businesses. If you haven't started, get started. And I'll catch you guys in another vlog.